Ladies and gents, welcome to this final announcement for our English 235 class. We're almost done. It's finals week, guys. We made it! Yay! So this week, all you have to do is turn in your recommendation report. That's it. That's all there is. Hooray! So what I'm going to be doing this week is working very hard to make sure that all of your grades are up to date, so you've got a really accurate picture of how your grade stands. I will strive to have all of that done by Thursday the 17th. So you'll have a nice, clear picture of what your grade looks like. That way, if you have any questions, you have time to reach out before our quarter ends. So I'm going to have your grades finalized no later than Thursday, June 17th. After that time, if you have any questions about your grades, please reach out. I'll do my best to help you with that. I have to submit final grades to the administration on the 22nd, after which point they are out of my hands. I have no power over them anymore. So reach out before then, because after that, I got nothing. So if you have any questions, please let me know. Our recommendation report is due on Tuesday. That should give me enough time to have them all graded by Thursday. The recommendation report has lots of helpful features. In the modules tab, there's a whole folder called recommendation report. That is everything you're going to need to be successful there. So if you haven't done the recommendation report, some of you have, some of you already turned them in. Fabulous. If you haven't though, you're still working on it, make sure to check out those resources. And as your very last opportunity to get extra credit, you could try and schedule an appointment with the CBC e-tutors or the Writing Center, get a little feedback on your recommendation report. Email that feedback to me and I can get you a couple extra points there as well. So that's it. That's where we're at. That's what we've done. We've made it to the end. And I just want to say congratulations, guys. This is a challenging class. There's a lot of assignments in it, and you have done an absolutely commendable job of rising to the occasion, of submitting excellent work, and pressing forward with grit and determination, and you've made it to the end, and I could not be more proud. So fabulous job. Great work, guys. I can't wait to see how your recommendation reports come together, and if you have any questions, just let me know. Let's have a fabulous finals week.